Today we're going to look at the Postmile Reference file provided by Headquarters CAD support on the CT Tools menu within Microstation Connect. After that, we're going to look at the Postmile Reference file provided by the District 11 CAD support, so let's get started. First, we need to open Microstation from the desktop icon. Select Run Microstation Connect. I already have it open, so I'm not going to do it. Wait for Microstation to open. Once it does, I'm going to be opening the example file. So we're going to wait for that to load up. I set this file up directly for this video, so you'll need to open your project file or whatever file you want to view this data in. So it could be in your recent file list. You may need to use the browse button there, or you may need to use the new file button to create a new file. Either way, make sure Microstation's open. Once it is, we're going to navigate to the CT menu right here. That CT menu has some options here. So for this video, we're going to be looking at the Postmile References DGNs. So select that little drop-down arrow right here, and you'll see that they're organized by zone. San Diego and Imperial County are both located in Zone 6, so we're going to be choosing the Postmile 10th Zone 6.dgn. So once that file is loaded in, you can go ahead and select the fit view. It doesn't take very long, so I'm just going to, I believe it's already loaded, so there we go, yep. And you can see that the reference file was loaded in to the file. You also may notice that because we chose Zone 6, that also includes Riverside and San Bernardino counties, as well as San Diego and Imperial counties. So with this particular headquarters file, we're going to get 4 counties. It's not just specific to District 11. So if we actually zoom into one of the point features that are actually provided in this file, this is random, you'll notice that it's just a point. And nothing more. So, however, there is more data associated with that point. You just have to know where to look for it. So we're going to go to the Home tab right here, and then we're going to actually select one of the point tabs. We're going to go to the Element Selection tool first. We're going to select one of the point features, and then we're going to go to the Properties toolbox or icon. That's going to bring in the properties dialog box. And so once that opens, you want to scroll down towards the bottom. And for most people, this is going to be closed. I've already opened it several times today, so that's why it was open. But normally this is closed like this. And so you'll see SHN underbar Postmiles underbar 10th. You want to expand this. So you can expand that group by just hitting that little arrow on the corner. And you're going to see that you get a lot more feature information. So you can see from this particular point that I clicked on, it's in the County of San Diego. It's in District 11. The post mile is 6.1. So if this had a prefix in this PMC field right here, you'd see the prefix. So R 6.1 or M, whatever the prefix happens to be, it'll show up here in this PMC value. And then it'll also tell you what route it's on. So it's on State Route 94, and whether it's a state route, an interstate, a U.S. highway, whatever it happens to be, it'll tell you the route type there. And so that's the kind of information that's available with the Headquarters CAD support reference file from that CT Tools menu. You can see it is a little cumbersome to get to that associated data. And now, because this file came in as a reference, we can also detach that reference to get rid of it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to detach it. So we're going to go back to the Home tab. We're going to select the Attach Tools icon right here. We're going to open that Reference Manager. And on the Reference Manager, we can select tools and detach. Sometimes if you have more than one reference, obviously you select the reference you want to detach. You don't want to just always select the default there. So we're going to leave this reference toolbox open. But now we're also going to go look at the reference file that's provided by the District 11 CAD support. So since this is already open, we're going to go ahead and select Tools Attach. And we're going to navigate to the following directory. Mine's already here, but it's M Drive, CAD support. Actually, it's instructions and how to. The Connect. Sorry, we're going to go to the Microstation folder. We're going to go to Connect using the CT menu. And we're going to hit this D11 Postmiles with labels, Zone 6. And we're going to attach that. So we're going to hit OK. This one takes a little bit more time to come in, but you'll see it's in the exact same place as it was. However, I'm going to go ahead and do a fit view to look at the scope of this file. You may notice that this file is limited to only San Diego and Imperial counties and does not include Riverside and San Bernardino counties. So if we zoom in, we can see a point feature. I'm going to zoom in over here. This is probably along the 5. So you can see the point features are white dots, and the associated data in this file are yellow annotations. So for some users, this configuration is better because it's easier to see the main feature annotation. However, if you're not sure of things like the county or route or district, you should probably use the headquarters CAD support provided file because that file has all the other data in it, whereas the District 11 file does not. So each file has its pros and cons, and there's a reason for both. So if we actually look at this data has no associated file, associated data other than what's given on screen. So those are the differences between the two. So feel free to use whichever one works for you. And again, this is also a reference, so you can just detach it when you're done. And if you have any questions, let District CAD support know. Have a good day.